Hey everyone, my name is Prakash Prajapati and today we are going to discuss how Patagonia told people not to buy their jackets and made billions. So what if a brand told you not to buy their products? It sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what Patagonia did and their sales still went up. While most companies put promotions, skip discounts, and trends, Patagonia focused on something deeper, which are values. They said no to fast fashion, stood up for the planet, and built gear that lasts. Their message: protect what you love, and it worked. Not just a feel good story, but as a $1 billion marketing strategy. Today we are going to breaking down how Patagonia turned anti-marketing into a movement and how you can apply these lessons to any brand. Let's dive in. In 2011, Patagonia ran this Black Friday ad. In the New York Times, they literally told people not to buy their jackets, buy to fight consumerism and encourage repairing old gears. And guess what? Sales jumped 30% by the next year. They didn't stop there. When a president slashed protection for national parks, Patagonia changed their homepage to the president stole your land, and they even stitched both the assholes out inside their swords to call our climate deniers. Bold, absolutely risky, maybe, but taking a stand, Patagonia built a tribe of loyal customers who shared their values. Most brands hide their factories. Patagonia exposes theirs. Their footprint chronicles shows exactly where materials come from, even the bad stuff. Their water wastage. This honesty is rare in fashion industry and it builds trust. They even teach you to repair gear yourself for free. Since 2017, fixed over 130,000 items. That's not marketing, that's a mission. In 2022, founder Yuvan gave away the entire company. Now all profits, which is $100 million per year, go to saving the planet forever. They don't just talk sustainability, they live it. And customers reward that authenticity. Propaganda doesn't just sell jackets. So Patagonia focused on selling purposes. Their action works. Platform has mobilized 2 million people to join environmental free causes. Even employees get paid time off to the protest. So their customers became the brand voice. Even every Instagram post of a beat up Patagonia jackets, free marketing for a cause they believe in. So while Nike says dreams, Patagonia says stories. The Oscar-nominated films exposes environmental crises like Blue Heart, which saved Europe's last wild river. No logos, no ads, just impact was there. Even their product descriptions tell stories. It's mission building. So the key takeaways for today's case study was: be bold, stand for something bigger than sales, be transparent, trust in your best marketing, take actions. Don't just say it, just do it. Build a tribe, turn customers into advocates, tell stories, make people feel good, not just let them buy. So Patagonia proves that profit and purpose can coexist. So ask yourself, what does your brand stand for and how will you show it? Thank you everyone.